Did you guys see these gorgeous bows at Dollar Tree? These bows are something fierce. Check it out. They also have this silver. Ooh, I hate love bugs. Listen, honey, I'm bringing you all the fancy pantsy mancies. Do you guys mind? Let me tell you something. Did you see these new finds at Dollar Tree this week? Oh, honey, rolling out the new items. Today was truck day. Check this out. So first up, Dollar Tree has the Spectrum Light Tower set, all right? Color flow, multiple colors, independent color patterns. You get two of these. Honey, it comes even with the remote control. Looky cookie for gaming, okay? You see how they got it set up? Also for TV background lighting. Ooh, I like this. Oh, this smells so wonderful. It smells absolutely fantastic. Oh, honey, you want to get to Dollar Tree. You want to get on down to the tree. You a luxury type of gal, bougie type of girl. Honey, this is for you. Okay, when I tell you Dollar Tree is like really showing out. Did you guys see the doopity dupes of Bath and Body Works? Honey, they have this one, Pineapple Sunset. They also have the passion fruit, okay? And how about the tropical coconut? When I tell you, you cannot tell me this not a doopity dupe of Bath and Body Works. You can't tell me. I wouldn't believe you. But honey, the favorite one, my favorite one that is definitely the Pineapple Sunset. Now, if you are looking for collagen in a bottle, oh yes, Dollar Tree is out here delivering, or shall I say, I'm delivering, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Listen, Dollar Tree has this Merle Robert. This normally goes anywhere from $8 to like $13, $14 online. Dollar Tree has this for $1.25. Now, what it does supposedly is it's supposed to advance lift face serum, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Honey, for $1.25, that's a steal deal. Okay, so today is truck day. Oh, and Dollar Tree has all the fancies. Did you guys happen to see the Touchland Doopity Doop, the new scents that is $1.25? Now this one is Moonlight Orchid Scented. All right, now let us know in the comment section which one would you buy, which one would you prefer. They also have the Sweet Plum and Jasmine Scented. Oh my goodness, honey, if I'm lying, I am flying. Listen, you are not going to tell me that Dollar Tree ain't giving it up for you and me. Did you see these fancy, honey, these are some fancy mugs over here. Look at this. Oh, honey, they got so many different colors. Check this out. So when I tell you, I don't know who Dollar Tree think they are, all right, honey? They have the blue mugs. They also have the green. Absolutely love the pattern on here. You know, it's definitely given designer, all right? It's given name brand. It just gives that feel, that name brand feel. Absolutely fantastic. And these are some thick and heavy mugs, if I'm saying so myself. $3. Do you mind if I show you these fancy items at Dollar Tree? Honey, let me tell you, you want a pen, a pencil, a crayon, or an eyeliner to write these amazing fine stamps. Jumping straight into it. Let's do it. Dollar Tree has these gorgeous placements over here. This green, I absolutely love this. These are $1.50. They also have the gold leaf. Ooh, child, these are so fancy mancy. They also have the pineapple over here. Honey, giving summertime, giving bright vibes. If you guys are looking to create like a lemonade stand for your children, Dollar Tree has this paper Irwin for like lemonade stands that comes in different colors. They have the blue and white, the red and white, and also the pink and white. If you guys are looking for some fancy tumblers, oh, you know they out here showing out. They have the watermelon, the lemon. They also had these gorgeous tumblers as well. The strawberry, the lemon, absolutely fancy. And you know what does it for me? These gorgeous, look at these tumblers. These are so gorgeous. Look at the straw inside. Oh, this is fancy, honey. And you can wear this, I guess, like on your shirt or something, like put it around your waist or something. Oh my goodness. Canteen with straw. Now they come in different colors. They have the purple. They also have the green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have the blue over here. How about you? These are $1.50. Absolutely gorgeous. And you go to the boardwalk and they be selling these tour drinks that's like $20-something. Honey, you better come and get your cup from Dollar Tree. That's, honey, is a $3. Check this out. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is out here delivering something fancy for the folks. Ooh, these are so gorgeous, nice and tall. These are $3. Absolutely love it. They come in different colors. They have the green, the purple, the blue, the pink. Oh, honey, get into it. Now, they also have these large tubs over here. Now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are $5. Absolutely love the crates that Dollar Tree is bringing in. The only color they have right now is the red, like this. All right, my loves, when I tell you they showing out at the tree, oh, they showing out for you and me. Did you guys happen to see the Nerf guns at Dollar Tree? Honey, absolutely love this. Now, these have a removable scope, so you can remove it. Also, 16 darts. And you want to know the price? Oh, honey, still deal like Holyfield, $7. Oh, child, this is absolutely amazing. Now, looky, cookie. Now, you ain't gonna be around these towns saying I don't deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Look at this amazing find at Dollar Tree. You know what? I'm just saying that. Is Dollar Tree the new Toys R Us? Honey, because the way they delivering this type of stuff. Check this out. Honey, it is the Nerf gun for me. Oh, honey, it's giving up. 1, 2, 3. Look, now 40 dart, battle bell. Oh, yes, honey. And if you're not playing Nerf guns in the house with your children, what are you doing? Honey, you are a plain Jane type of gal. You get what I'm saying? 16 dart storage, pump action, you name it. Dollar Tree is going to bring it. Honey, absolutely fantastic. Now, when I tell you that they flying off the shelves. Oh, honey, they flying off the shelves. As we speak now, love this. So about you folks, but honey, if you don't know nothing about the Pokemon cards, what are you doing? Honey, are you moving? Are you alive? Okay, so Dollar Tree has the Pokemon cards. Now, some of these names, honey, I ain't even gonna begin to pronounce, okay? I know Pikachu or whatever it is. Honey, they have so many of these. Now, honey, one Pokemon booster pack. They have the trade-in cards. Ooh, honey, this is where it's at. Love this. Did you guys see these gorgeous bows at Dollar Tree? These bows are something fierce. Check it out. Honey, they don't only have gold. They also have this. If you have someone that's graduating this year, when I tell you the decor that Dollar Tree has here is just so fancy. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the decorative balloons over here. These are absolutely gorgeous. 2 pieces. They also have the tassel garland over here as well. Look how fancy and cute this is. If you guys are looking for a balloon column, honey, for $3, that is a grab. Now, they also have their mugs over here. These gorgeous bowls. I absolutely love this silver and also gold. They have the tumblers, class of 2026. And look at the little bear. Oh, these are so cute. Congratulations, Greg. I like this. Balloon stoppers over here. Really, really gorgeous. Honey, get into it. They also have the tinsel garland over here as well. And look at the little doggy that's saying ruff, ruff, okay? $1.50. Absolutely love this. They come in two different colors. They have the white one and also the brown. They also have these little bells over here. Absolutely fantastic. Gold and also black.